1.17. Congrats, you have successfully withdrawn this amount to your account. You will receive it in 3 days. Good day, this is Arn Abantao and welcome to my channel. And for today's video, andito ako sa gaming app na Magic Stone. And ang aking balance ngayon ay $1.1831. Pwede ko na ito i-withdraw since ang minimum withdrawal dito is $0.35. Tatap ko itong balance. Again, ito yung aking balance is USD 1.1. Medyo malaki-laki to. And ang minimum withdrawal natin dito is 0.35, which is sa GCash ko ito i-withdraw. And to withdraw sa gaming application sa mga hindi pa po alam, and sa mga interested maglaro, hindi ako masyado naglaro dito, naipon ko lang din ito sa mga referral na mga naglalaro sa gaming application. Kaya ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paying pa ba itong Magic Stone na gaming application, which is this one is katulad ito ng Twinkle Elf and Botaway, which is sa Botaway at saka Twinkle Elf is paying naman. Ngayon, susubukan ko ito kung paying nga ba itong gaming application since nagawan ko naman ito ng video before. Okay. So, ito yung aking balance na 1.81. Okay, ito yung aking balance na 1.18 USD and ang ating withdrawal sa available withdrawal dito sa Pilipinas, GCash, Lazada, PayPal, which is ang aking pipiliin is GCash. Tap ko ito and tap ko si confirm. If you are going to withdraw your provider GCash, i-input dito yung GCash number na verify, first name, second name, last name, at saka yung amount. I-input ko muna yung data na hinihingi for withdrawal. Ang aking i-withdraw is 1.18, which is 1.17 na lang yung aking i-withdraw. And titingnan natin kung magkano yung equivalent nito na 1.17 USD. And since na-input ko na yung mga data na hinihingi, tap ko lang si verify. Na-input ko na yung mga data na hinihingi for withdrawal, tap ko na si verify. And bago ko i-confirm, your withdraw is USD 1.17 to the GCash number na na-input. And tatap ko lang si confirm. Bago ma-withdraw yung 1.17, it says here, verify your identity. Tap ko si verify. It says here, in order to withdraw, you must first verify. And enable ko yung camera. And it says here, video selfie daw. Wait. Let's try. So, automatic siya. Move closer daw. Uploading encrypted 3D scan. Okay, it says here verification success. And wait ko na lang yung processing. And it says congrats, USD 1.17. Congrats, you have successfully withdrawn this amount to your account. You will receive it in 3 days. So 3 days ko bago ma-receive yung withdrawal dito sa larong Magic Stone. Okay, back ko siya. And titingnan ko yung transaction ko. And dito sa aking balance, you will see USD 0.01 na lang. And na-process na yung 1.17. See the transaction. And USD 1.17 to my GCash number. And i-wait ko. Sabi kasi is 3 days bago pumasok sa GCash. Okay. And for now, since na 3 days bago pumasok yung withdrawal, antayin ko na lang, ini-update ko kayo kapag pumasok na yung 1.17 and I don't know kung magkano yung equivalent peso, yung 1.17 napapasok siya sa GCash. So, pinakapagbigay ako ng knowledge toward to this gaming application na Magic Stone. Kapag dumating yung payout sa gaming application na to, i-update ko kayo kung paying pa nga ba ito. If you like on this, do a thumbs up, like, share. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click the subscribe button, kalimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa may upload yung video. This is Arn Abantao. Keep on watching. See you on my next update in regards to this gaming application na Magic Stone, na kung saan nakapag-withdraw ako and waiting na lang. Thank you for watching. I-update ko kayo sa gaming application na Magic Stone na kung saan after ko mag-withdraw mga ilang minutes ay pumasok yung payout. Ito siya. Okay, andito na ako sa GCash and ipapakita ko sa inyo sa transaction. This one. Ang nagbayad ng payout or withdrawal is cash in from Netbank 55.25, ang equivalent ng 1.17 US dollar, which is converted na siya into peso na pumasok sa GCash. This one. Hindi po yan screenshot. And andito na ako sa app and tingnan ko sa transaction. Successful naman yung aking withdrawal sa gaming app na Magic Stone na kung saan pumasok ito sa aking GCash. This one, the USD 1.17. Itong USD 1.17 ay naka-indicate din dito kung anong oras at saka kung anong araw ako nakapag-withdraw, na kung saan itong gaming application na to is paying in legit. Sa mga interested maglaro, ilalagay ko na lang ito sa comment section para direct din nyo ma-download para kumita kayo ng extra money and madali lang tayo dito maglaro kumita sa gaming application. If you like on this, do a thumbs up, like, share. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click the subscribe button, kalimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa pin-upload yung video. This is Arn Abantao. Keep on watching. See you on my next update in regard sa mga legit na free earning app na kung saan wala tayong ilalabas na puhunan. Thank you for watching.